Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to take care of your skin. In today's video, we will be discussing how to prevent acne breakouts. Acne is a common skin problem that affects people of all ages. Acne breakouts can be caused by various factors such as hormones, genetics, stress, diet, and environmental factors. However, there are ways to prevent acne breakouts and keep your skin looking clear and healthy. Tip 1. Keep your skin clean. One of the best ways to prevent acne breakouts is to keep your skin clean. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser that is specifically designed for acne-prone skin. Avoid harsh scrubs and rough towels that can irritate your skin and make acne worse. Tip 2. Moisturize. Many people with acne-prone skin think that they should avoid moisturizing their skin, but this is not true. Moisturizing your skin is essential to keep it healthy and hydrated. Use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Tip 3. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet can help prevent acne breakouts. Avoid foods that are high in sugar, processed foods, and dairy products. Instead, eat a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Tip 4. Don't touch your face. Your hands are full of bacteria and germs that can transfer to your face and cause acne breakouts. Avoid touching your face as much as possible and keep your hands clean. Tip 5. Use non-comedogenic products. When choosing skincare and makeup products, look for products that are labeled non-comedogenic. This means that the product is formulated to not clog pores and is less likely to cause acne breakouts. Tip 6. Manage stress. Stress can cause acne breakouts by increasing the production of hormones that can trigger acne. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, or exercise to help reduce stress levels. So there you have it, some tips on how to prevent acne breakouts. Remember to keep your skin clean, moisturized, eat a healthy diet, avoid touching your face, use non-comedogenic products, and manage stress. By following these tips, you can help prevent acne breakouts and keep your skin looking clear and healthy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks.